Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I wanted to take and talk about in this pro tip why it's important for efficiency to have all your tools hung up in an area that you can get at them very quickly in your work. So to improve efficiency at the forge whenever you're working, say in the coal forge, a gas forge, things like that, it's really handy to take and have your stuff not put on a cart or laid in a flat horizontal position. It is very handy, however, to have it on a rack like what you see here. Racks like this on the wall next to your forge have been used for eons, 12,000 years probably, or better. Who knows? You know, no one was alive back there. But racks like this are a great way of keeping tongs, hammers, I've got hammers up here of all sizes, organized, and at a moment's notice they can be grabbed to be used at the anvil or at the forge. This is very, very handy. Now I've seen a lot of guys' shops where they'll leave stuff lay on flat spaces. Flat spaces collect junk. My workbench collects junk, my welding table collects junk, the top of the gas forge collects junk, even the top of anvil surfaces and coal surfaces and stuff, they collect pokers and rakes and shovels and things of that nature. They're just prone to collecting junk. So at any point when you can make yourself a rack like you see here, or one that I really like, or the A-frame style that roll around the shop, a movable rack, that you can rack things up and keep everything hung nice and neat and organized, it will really greatly improve the efficiency and the speed in which you can do jobs in the workshop. Now, I have several carts. I've seen roll around toolboxes. I have toolboxes that I take with me to workshops and places that I'm demonstrating. And those workshops there, you know, I have to lay everything in a flat box. Everything's kind of just mixed in a tool bucket, if you will. And when it's in that state, it's very hard to find the item you need. You got to dig, you got to pull, you got to reach down the bottom and stuff. Again, anything you can do to store stuff in a vertical orientation will greatly improve your efficiency and your competency at the forge and at the anvil. When I say competency, it means like when you do a demonstration, instead of like, where did I put that thing and I know I've got it and oh man, I left it at home. No, you've got everything stored in an upright position to where it can take and be seen, easily grabbed for, and you're very quick at picking it up and going right to town. It makes you look like you're a much more competent metal worker. And so just some quick things to think about. Store stuff in a vertical position versus a horizontal. You're able to see and gauge it quicker, get at it. One last thing I'm going to leave you with before this pro tip's over is try not to put anything below waist level. You want everything to be about shoulder level if you can in your shop. So this way it's easily spotted and seen as you come up to it. Or if I look over here, I can find what I need instantly. I don't have to look down here. I don't have to look under something. I don't have to look up at something to find the right thing. It's at a nice, comfortable eyeball level. There's no bending or twisting. And again, that helps with speed and efficiency. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to leave a like. If you love the channel and you'd like to help support videos like this, please consider going over to blacksmithpds.com and checking out our website there. We have loads of information and resources to help you as a beginning blacksmith, intermediate, or advanced to not only get better at the craft, but to make the craft easier on you with power hammer plans. Or if your interest is in business, we are having some e-courses and tons and loads of information around that. So go check it out if you get the chance. Link will be in the description. That's it for today. As always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.